building your tax return work paper for corporation. I'll go over high level, like, how to build your work paper. And if we already worked on that particular clients for their tax return, you just need to go over to previous year's tax return file and copy and then roll forward those tax paper. So it'll be easy. So as you can see on the bottom, we will have different tabs. So we will always start with profit and loss statement and balance sheet. And so those are copied from their financial. And T1 or T2, like the work paper starting with T, that is your tax work paper, not just support. So T1 summary, it will tell you your federal tax differences. So that's you'll be based off. So as you can see, you will see book adjustment. If there are any adjustment we need to make to typically like reclassify stuff. And then book after adjustment and M1 and taxes. And adjustment, like you can see here, this company does not bifurcate compensation of officers and salaries, so we will be making adjustment here before M1. So M1 or M3 differences, those are financial book difference and tax differences, so it shouldn't be used for like reclassment. Another thing to note, when you are pulling number from anywhere, you will put reference on the left side, and typically Hito we will use red color so that it's very clear where those number came from. And going back to PL, if numbers are going anywhere, you will put your reference on the right side. So you will see where the number is going, where is the number is coming from. So that's about it. Couple things to know. I will create another video for apportionment factor, how to build that, and how to look for what apportionment factor each states use.